He's broke, living in his car, and his car won't even start. What happens when you're too poor to pay a court fee? This is the story of Daniel Cantu, who stands before a judge facing a difficult choice: find $180 he doesn't have, or go to jail. The problem? A simple machine calibration he can't afford. In this hearing, we see the clash between the strict letter of the law and the harsh reality of poverty. Will the judge show mercy?
All right, Officer Vela, thank you so much for zooming in on such short notice. All right, so on Mr. Cantu,
Yes,
if there's a problem with calibration,
yes, he's been in lockout since the end of September, but he's informed me that he's trying to gather up funds to recalibrate. So I've just we're on his fourth violation, I believe.
third.
Third. His second and third violation.
All right. So I'll take testimony on why he's not able to pay. Then we're going to have to figure out what can be done. All right, the court is calling 2025 CR 012855, State versus Daniel Cantu. Can I have parties announce?
Michael Dwight Goins for the defendant, Your Honor.
And are you Mr. Cantu?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, we're here on a violation report. Mr. Cantu, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Daniel Cantu.
All right, any questions from either side? Or would you prefer the court to ask?
Well, Daniel, can you please tell the court why you've not been able to pay for your recalibration?
Yeah, it's just taking me longer than I thought to get a job. So I exhausted my family already. So we just have options right now. Our readiness to get some cash too.
Have you been looking for a job?
Yes.
Where have you been? Where have you been looking for a job at?
Indeed, every day. I had a good couple of several leads, but with the GM position, it takes a little bit longer. So that's why. And then for some reason, I just didn't get those positions. So.
I pass the witness, Your Honor.
When is the last time that you were employed?
July 19th.
Of 2025?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, and where were you employed on?
Lolly and Pops. Lolly and Pops at the candy store in North Carolina.
Okay. And currently you're unemployed, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And do you have any savings accounts where you saved up money?
No, ma'am. I've exhausted everything.
Okay.
401k and everything.
And so at this time, you're saying that you do not have funds to calibrate the machine, is
No,
that
ma'am.
correct?
Yes, ma'am.
How much does it cost to calibrate the machine?
I believe the code to restart the device is about $60, and then $120 for calibration.
And you're saying that you don't have the funds to pay that?
Correct.
Where are you currently living, Mr. Cantu?
Just kind of hotel hopping in my car as well, and then just with friends.
And you don't even have a phone right now, do you?
Yeah, they just turned it off.
And that's why I have to contact your mother to try to get you into court, correct? That ain't further, Your Honor.
All right, what I can tell you, the court's problem is he's going from hotel to hotel, and he just said driving and living in his vehicle. He should not be driving if he doesn't have an ignition interlock that is functional. So how did you get here today?
The bus. But I don't drive the car because it's been locked out, so I can't even turn it on. I just kind of just live in there. So.
You'd be correct, Your Honor. He can't drive that car.
All right, any other questions?
Yes, do you have access to any other motor vehicles?
No. My parents live in the valley, so they're 4 hours away.
Yeah. Do you have any other family members that will be in San Antonio?
No.
Okay. And so when's the last time that you operated your motor vehicle?
Drove it?
Yes.
No, I looked at it. I just kind of
When's the last
calibrate like a blue in the machine.
When's the last time you drove it?
Oh, probably. Probably July when I got out.
So you're saying that she's been unable to drive it since it went into lockout?
Well, I don't drive it, but I was able to drive it until the lockout. At the end of September.
I guess if you're staying in hotels, how do you have money to pay for that?
I mean, it's rare. It's very rare. So I'm just usually on couches and stuff. But before I exhausted all my avenues, I would do a hotel every now and then.
Fine. So
Okay.
on the counters that you're seeing on, do those people own motor vehicles?
Some of them are.
Do you have access to those motor
No.
vehicles?
Nothing further, Your Honor.
All right. State Defense, do you all believe he cannot afford to calibrate? The total, according to him, would be $180.
Yes, sir.
All right. So Officer Vela, what do you recommend?
I recommend possibly monthly or weekly UAs until he's calibrating. He's calibrated.
All right. This is what the court is going to do. There's going to be weekly UAs until calibration, and the court will ask that the fees are waived. If you miss any of those UAs, send me a violation report, and I'll ask that the fees are waived. And do you know where to go to take your test?
Yes, sir.
And make sure he's tested for alcohol.
Okay.
And you're to be back here on Monday for jury trial.
That's correct, Your Honor.
All right. Is there anything else?
Judge, you was just asking about condition and driving.
No objection to that, Your Honor.
All right. There's to be an affidavit of non-driving, and you are not allowed to drive any vehicle. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is there anything else?
No, good.
Officer Vela, is there anything else you think he needs?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So when do you want him to come in to test?
He can come in. Today's Wednesday. He can come in starting next week, Monday.
Can we get at least, because he hasn't been tested, can we get a test this week?
Yes.
When?
Tomorrow, if possible, no later than Friday.
All right. You're going to test on tomorrow. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So, defendant to begin weekly testing tomorrow. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. May we be excused?
Yes.
Thank
Thank you so much.
In the end, the judge offered a surprising compromise, avoiding jail time but imposing a strict new condition. Daniel Cantu walked out of the courtroom with a second chance, but the weekly tests are a constant reminder of how close he was to losing it all. Was this a fair resolution? This case forces us to ask, does the justice system work for those who have nothing? What do you think? Share your opinion in the comments. Thanks for watching.